Good drop and a sharp recovery and a volatile market. That is the symbol. Probably right now the markets are trading extremely volatile, and both Dow Jones and Nasdaq have recovered nicely from the lows they have achieved yesterday, 31,200 and 11,700. Now what is going to happen today, what trades we can take, everything I am going to tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and the next analysis will be up before the US cash session. So hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with Nasdaq 100 first. See what US100 is trying to do. Probably on the 2-hour chart it appears it can try to hit this zone at 12,120, 12,130, and if it breaks here today, the only long entry which I will recommend, if it is really bullish, I will recommend you to go long about 12,150, where the target is going to be 12,300 and plus levels for the day. So this is what it appears. At the same time, breaking below here this zone till the time it trades below 12,150, I will expect probably it can retrace back again on the downside. Look at the 2-hour charts are trying to trade into overbought levels. Look at the MACD has crossed over just 3 candles back, and it is trading with extreme bullishness, extreme divergence. They are indicating there is lot much to go for US100. And look at the RSI is also looking upwards. However, look at this, anything which is extreme will always cause a opposite effect. Now look at this. This is the 3-hour charts here. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Where are the highs? 12,300 levels. So probably once it trades beyond 12,150 today, we may be looking forward to 12,300 as the high for the day, and if it breaks this, we may see 12,380 as the second high, which can be achieved today itself, and from there it can try to drop again. At the same time, one must not forget that there is a little support at 11,900. So if it breaks 11,900 today, we may see a little drop. Look at the 3-hour charts is again looking upwards. On the stochastic, MACD has just crossed over. This is just the first green candle. We may see couple more green candles if it remains divergent and it can sustain those levels. Stochastic looking upwards. RSI 2 is looking upwards from here, and if you look at the 4-hour charts here, now look at the 4-hour charts closely. See, this is it is trying to create a double top here. It may try to go till towards 12,150. Only if it sustains about 12,150, I'll expect that first target 12,200, then it will try to hit 12,300 and then 12,400, plus minus 10-20 points you should always keep. Now look at this, 11,700 definitely has proven out to be a stronger support. So it is trying to trade with this as support, trying to reverse back a bit. Look at the 4-hour stochastic running flat here, and it is not looking upwards. MACD is trying to cross over. Once it crosses over, and if it shows you a couple of green candle, we may see it trading in bullish zone again. RSI is looking upwards from here. Now look at another observation on the 4-hour charts. Similarly, what we have seen on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to trade in this channel. Where is the channel high? 12,300. Everybody knows this answer. And yes, where is the bottom here? 11,700. So probably it can try to hit back at 12,300 before it looks forward to a little downward move. So first, probably till the time it trades above 11,900, one can expect that it may try to hit 12,150, and then beyond 12,150 we can see a little rise till towards 12,300. And only if it breaks 12,300, one can consider that it is trying to reverse. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, couple of observations to make. Look at the previous candle. Previous candle is as if the bears failed to take the control. The bulls were never in a driving seat, though it tried to rise. And now for the day, see the flat bottom of this candle. Flat bottom on this candle probably displays that it may try to either create a double top or try to create a lower highs. And yes, once it breaks past 11,900, we may see it dropping again till towards 11,800, 11,700 levels. So I will not recommend you to go long today till it is below 12,150 levels. Yes, it can try to achieve 12,150 before it looks over to a drop. And yes, a bearish or sell entry is only below 11,900. Look, these are markets. If you spare 100-200 points today without a trade, do not mind it. Look at the stochastic. This is also oversold, looking upwards from here. MACD is divergent, and yes, it is trading bearish. RSI has been already hit a level of oversold zones. Now probably it may try to create a double top, and from there it may try to break again. So yes, you can go short at around 12,100, 12,150 levels. Yes, you can go short there, and probably keeping a stop loss at 12,150, 200, you can remain short and you can expect it to drop. That is one probability. Beyond 12,150, yes, you can expect that it may try to hit 12,300. That is another way to look at it. So around 12,100, 12,120, still I'll be cautious there in between these levels. Rather, I'll recommend not to trade and take a safe entry at 11,900, and then only one can remain short below those levels. At least if you are getting 100 points, those are safe points. Above 12,150, yes, you can expect that it may try to hit 12,300, and beyond that it may try to fly high. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. Now look at US30, what it is trying to do. See, it may try to achieve this high at around 31,970 level. Only bullish confirmation on US30 is if it trades beyond 32,000 levels. Once it trades beyond 32,000, and specifically this zone at around 32,040 levels, once it breaks this, you can consider that as bullish and reversal, and probably it may try to rise. And yes, at the same time below 31,850, or rather I will say 31,800, you can go short. See, this is extremely overbought on the 2-hour charts. MACD is wide and divergent. It has just crossed over 2 candles back, and it is extremely divergent. Only one more candle it may try to accommodate, and then a drop can follow. RSI is running flat there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly you will find that it is shown a reversal here. At the same time, one must not forget that it was trading out of the Bollinger Bands. Now the highs, if you look at how high it can go, it can try to hit, if it breaks past 32,040, it can try to go back again till towards 32,300, 400 levels. These are the channel highs which it is trying to achieve. Also, if you observe carefully, so this is kind of an expanding triangle. The lows are getting widened here, and this is kind of a bear market expanding funnel there. Probably indicates the more bears are there in control, and hence probably for the day, if it trades beyond 32,000, this is also an intimation of increased volatility. So the volatile the markets, the larger the moves out there, and that is why we can see 31,200 has been achieved, and since then it is reversed nicely for the day. If it trades above 32,040, then only I will recommend you to go long. Safe trading is what we can expect will give us better results. Also, there is a stronger resistance here at 32,000 levels. So yes, I will be waiting for 32,040 for it to take a long entry. Now look at the stochastic has already seen a high. It appears probably on the 3-hour chart, so I'll be watchful of the next candle. But MACD has just crossed over. This is first green candle, and probably I'll be looking forward to a couple more green candles. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, similarly, you will find that it is trying to break out of this. Now, this is the kind of breakout which we are looking at, and hence 31,800, till the time it trades above 31,800, I will not recommend you to short there. Probably now it is trying to hit back till towards 32,000, and yes, a long entry beyond 32,040 will try to take it towards 32,300 levels. So I'll be cautious till then. It can try to hit those levels. Look at the 4-hour charts. It is looking upwards. It is looking stochastic is looking upwards here. MACD trying to converge and cross over. If it does, we may see couple more green candles. RSI was trading oversold. Now it is trying to bounce back. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see, I will be watchful of 32,000, 32,040 levels on the daily charts. Once it breaks past this, we can expect that it is going to hit 32,300 levels. At the same time, one must not forget that today's candle is almost with a flat bottom, and hence we may see it dropping again till below 31,800. We may see it dropping till towards 31,500, and then it can try to hit back again till towards 31,200 levels. So I'll be cautious of this level at 32,000 till the time it trades below 32,000. I will be again expecting it to drop. Once it trades below 31,800, one can expect that it is going to show you sharper drop till towards 31,500 and below levels. Look at the daily stochastic. This is looking upwards from here, and if you look look at the MACD, it is trading in a sell and it is still bearish. RSI is near to bottom there, and yes, it can try to bounce back. Now considering this for the day, till the time it trades about below 32,000 levels, and yes, till the time it trades above 31,800, I will not recommend you to trade in between these 200 points. Once it trades below 31,800, you can take a short entry for 31,500, 31,200 drones. And yes, once it trades above 32,040, yes, you can expect it to rise till towards 32,300 levels. In between these 240 points, do not trade. That is my recommendation. Take your positions accordingly. While volatile market, stay safe. Trade safely, put your stop losses at cost. Whenever you see your trade is in profit, let it get close, you can re-enter again. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And yes, you can be part of my VIP signals group or part of my mentorship batch. The next mentorship batch is starting soon. Book your seats now. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the video and channel description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.